what is up you guys, it's Lewo and I'm back with another video. So in today's video we are sponsored by Sogoodhair, and that is the hair that I'm wearing right now. Look at how gorgeous it is, guys. Oh my gosh. And I didn't glue it down, and look how perfect it is. Let me show you the back. So, like I said, today's video is sponsored by Sogoodhair. Shout out to them for giving me such beautiful hair and for selling such beautiful hair. And if you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. Click the subscribe button and the post notification button with the little bell, honey, if you don't know when I post. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, what it do, what it is. Anyway, guys, so today's going to be a vlog. I'm basically going to be vlogging how I go from ugly to this, sweetie, okay? To this. Right, but anyway guys, and this vlog is featuring Sogoodhair. So the hair's on my table. I actually got this package quite a while ago, but I was in Cape Town when I received it and it got delivered here at home, so I couldn't really do a video immediately when I got it. But anyway, so yeah, this vlog is sponsored by Sogoodhair, and I'll show you guys the hair as the video proceeds. Anyway, I don't want to talk too much. I'm gonna change now, and so that I can exercise. I told myself that I need to exercise because I've gained weight. And it's bad. Oh, and if you guys don't know this, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, but my laptop is broken. It has water damage, so I've been using the home computer and my sister's laptop as well, but I only started using her laptop yesterday. And I don't use her laptop to edit and stuff like that because obviously she has her own things there and she needs to use it sometimes, so I use the home laptop to edit and all that. So it's not going to be a train smash, you know, just for the time being while I wait to fix my laptop. So yeah, I'm just gonna check if I have classes, and yeah, I collaborated with Sogoodhair. This is my first time, and I must say I'm really excited because I did have a peek at the hair. I did look at the hair when I got back home, and sweetie, baby, honey, darling, it is beautiful. Okay, that hair is beautiful. Okay, so I just checked my timetable. I have a class at 2, so I have construction management at 2. I have another class at, what time is that? 8:30. This sucks. I have an 8:30, so it's 9 minutes past 7. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly do what I need to do. Okay, so the box looks a bit damaged, okay, and it's because obviously the courier services and all that, but this is basically how it looks. And then when you open, this is what you get. I got lashes. I'm so happy I got lashes. I love lashes. I love collecting lashes, so I'm happy. And this is how the hair looks. How beautiful. This is an 18-inch, by the way, but it looks so long. It does not even look like 18 inches. And it's a 4x4, not a full frontal. But that's okay because this hair is beautiful. Like, it's beautiful. And it's not my first body wave, but it's my second one. And I recently just got my first one, so I'm very excited. And I think the hairline is pre-plucked. It looks pre-plucked. But yeah. Shout out to Sogoodhair for sponsoring this video. Let's try to put it on and see. Just see how it looks. Ooh, ooh, baby, I love the way. So this is how it looks. It's so pretty. So pretty. Anyway, so ow. But anyway, so I'm gonna go shower now so that we can look pretty. So we can look pretty and install the Sogoodhair, sweetie, and put on the Sogoodhair lashes. You know, it's just gonna be a Sogoodhair day. I'm gonna look cute because of Sogood, okay? And I'm also gonna take Instagram pictures. There's something black in here. I just don't know what it is. How do I open this? There we go. My lips are so dry, it's crazy. Battle. Which one I like to see my hair. Oh, this is so cute, and she like, damn, bro. This is so cute, and I guess this is for like my edges or whatever. Oh my god, Sogoodhair. Like, you really pulled through for the girl. You really pulled through for the girl. Okay, anyway, so now that we got some cute ass stuff from Sogoodhair, I'm gonna go and look cute so I can put on my hair. Right? Right. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you ride at the top, baby. You want your name, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. Okay. Okay. Let's start with the makeup, sweetie. I don't know if I should start with the hair or the makeup. I think the hair. Okay, so this is what we're working with. This is what we're working with. Hey. Shout out to Sogoodhair again. I'm just gonna keep shouting them out because first of all, they sponsored this video, and secondly, this hair is amazing. Okay, so this is the hair, and like I said, it's 4x4. I always have to put these on because I got a small ass head, so it's a must for me to put that. Woo! It fits me perfectly. You hear that? Perfectly. So this is how it looks. Okay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Wow, guys, this hair is beautiful. I must say, it is absolutely beautiful. Okay, but I'm just gonna hair dry it down. Let me put on some serum. Whoa, look at that shine, baby girl. Baby girl. Look at that shine. I said, look at that shine. Look at that shine. looks. This is how it looks. Okay.
But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want to see with the red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you run at the top, baby.
Alrighty, I am done, guys. Please look at this hair. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Like, it looks so cute or whatever. Yes, sweetie. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys the details about this hair. Just hold on. Okay, so this is a 150% density wig. Okay, it's an 18-inch. All right, let me show you the length. Okay, 18 inches. Alright, got the details of the wig will be down below in the description box. Okay, my discount code, more information about this wig, just, you know, any questions you'll have will be answered in the description box. Okay, I'm gonna put a whole lot of detail in there so you know more about the wig. Guys, this wig is everything. Okay, it is freaking everything. I didn't even have to glue it. I'm just gonna pluck more in the middle so that it looks a bit more natural, right? But this is amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It is so amazing. So amazing. I love it. Okay, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big fat big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing watching my videos if you're not subscribed? Subscribe. And of course, comment down below if you need to. And to purchase this wig, like I said, you just click the link down in the description box below. Use my discount code if you want to save some coins. Alright. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. My gosh.